Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing fine. In today's video, I'll show you how to use an Apple Store or App Store or iTunes gift card to buy apps, music and more on your iPhone or iPad or any iOS device that you own. So it will be super simple and super easy. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. Now let's get started with the video without any further delay. Simply open the Apple App Store, then tap on your profile picture at the top right to access your account settings. Now here simply tap on redeem gift card or code that you can see highlighted in the blue letters right here. Once you tap on it, you either use your camera to scan the card or type the code manually. Make sure you enter it exactly as shown. As you can see here, you can also use a camera or you can enter your code manually, and here you have to type your code exactly that is shown on the card. After redeeming, your gift card balance will appear on your Apple ID account. Now you can buy app, music or movies and the cost will be deducted from your balance automatically. It is as simple as that. So make sure you use the correct code on the redeem section right here. And that's it guys. Using an app store or iTunes gift card is super easy. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Apple tips, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.